As you guys know, at the end of this month, I'm going to be going to Las Vegas for KBIS, the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. Think of it like Comic-Con, but for the kitchen and bath remodeling industry. And as a content creator, I will be filming video and taking pictures of all of the latest and greatest products for your kitchen or bath remodel. Now, as any content creator who's ever been to a con can tell you, that tends to take a toll on your phone's battery. So the TikTok shop sent me this outdoor protection solar power bank. So we're going to unbox it and take a look. Oh, looks like it plugs in with a USB-C. Oh, check it out. Okay. It's got a compass. It's got a flashlight. All right, let's check out the instructions here. When you get old, sometimes you got to go like this to read. Hold on. Okay, so it looks like it ships with a partial charge right there, see? And there's a power button on the side, long press, and boo! Yeah, that's bright. If your phone ever dies, you still got a flashlight as long as you got a charge on this thing. I also want to bring your attention to just the durability and the overall size as well. This is it compared to an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Or is this 13? 12? I don't know. Anyway, but an iPhone Pro, it's smaller than the iPhone Pro Max. A little bit thicker. But seems like it's very well protected, and the charging ports and USB ports are underneath the case here, so protected from dust, lint, and water. When I go to KBIS, I'll let you guys know how long it lasts.